Uy, finally dumating na aking order. Ang hawak ko right now is the Lark M2 na wireless lavalier mic na gawa ni Holy Land. Ang dami sa inyo out there ang gagaling nyo gumawa ng mga videos. Sobrang captivating video pero yung audio quality, it's really bad. For me as a content creator, video is 50% ng presentation, audio is equally 50% ng presentation as well. Kung hindi naintindihan ng iyong audience ang pinagsasabi mo, it's useless. Basahin ko lang some of the features na meron nito. Button size siya, 48 kHz or 24-bit. Universal compatibility, pwede sa DSLR, pwede sa mga smartphones. Advanced ENC, and it has a long battery life of up to 40 hours. So true na pwede siya pang Type-C na smartphone, and pwede rin siya sa mga iPhone na older generation using a lightning cable. Guys, ang liit ng case niya no, compare sa aking Lark Max na sobrang laki. Sa inyo. So pagbukas natin, you have your receiver and dalawang transmitter. Pagbukas mo guys, nakita mo sobrang liit niya. It's a button cell type. Ang liit to guys, compared dito sa Lark Max ko na sobrang laki. Kahit yung receiver niya ang liit to compare kay Lark Max. So if you want to start recording, kabit mo lang to. Pakita mo iilaw siya. And once na naka-green siya, naka-pair na siya meaning sa isang mic mo. Tara, subukan natin audio quality. So guys, this is recorded using the native microphone ng aking smartphone which is Xiaomi 14 Ultra. And ito naman ang audio quality using the Lark M2 wireless lavalier mic with advanced noise cancelling. So right now, naka-cancelling mode, noise cancelling mode tayo kasi naka-color green siya. Pag once na naka-color blue siya, hindi naka-on ng ANC. Now, what can you say about the quality? I would say na personally, I've tried this one already for the past 2 weeks. Nilabas ko siya on medyo crowded place and it was able to suppress down yung ingay ng crowd. Not to the point na siguro pag sobrang nasa loob ka ng palengke, it would definitely lower down yung mga boses nila marites. But not totally canceling it out, it would put it down to a minimum. That's what I can say. Which is the advantage nito microphone na ito compared sa ibang brands. Yung kanyang ANC, talagang na-appreciate ko siya ng sobra-sobra, especially when you're vlogging on outdoor condition. So ano sa inyo guys, ang ganda ng kanyang audio quality, di ba? So if you're a content creator looking to enhance your audio quality, check out the Lark M2 wireless lavalier mic. Click the link on the yellow basket.